Well, hello there, YouTube. Welcome to Sunday, the 30th of September. Last day. Isn't that something? It'll be starting October already. Lord, where does all the time go? Anyway, let's go grab a GoPro Hero 7 Black. I got an email about 11:30 last night saying it's ready. But of course the store's not open, so I can't get it till this morning. Then they don't open till 10, so all right, let's roll. Man, look how clear it is. Look how clear you can see the mountains. Wow, what a stark difference from
turn right onto
first part of the week. Wow, it is exceptionally beautiful out here today. Dang. Yeah, man, them mountains are absolutely beautiful today. That's crazy. You know, I didn't even put two and two together. This is the Best Buy that I purchased the Sony RX100 Mark V from a few years back. I'm telling you, there's something about cameras and coming down to California. It's just timing. That's when things are getting released. But anyway, I'm off to go get it. But check out their cool see-through blue bags. The simple things that give you pleasure. Alright, let's check this thing out. There she is. I don't know how well you can see that using a Hero 5 Session, but I stole the battery. I forgot to bring my spare battery, so anyway, I took the Hero 6 battery and I'll pop that thing in there. I can almost guarantee you there'll be an update first thing, so let me piddle with it here for a second. That was literally the best, and of course it's got an update right away. That was the easiest GoPro connection to a phone ever. I didn't have to like select the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. I just went to the app. The instructions on the back of the phone says open the app and select new phone, and or a new camera, and there it was. And for the first time in 3 years, maybe 2 years, no, since the 5s came out, they're given a name by GoPro. You're not able to go in there and actually give it the name you would like to give your camera. You can do that now. I hope they update the 5s and 6s so you can do that. I like how the Hero 7 is prominently marked on the side of it there. That's cool. The texture of it is a little different than the 5 and 6. But other than that, it's literally the same camera. For what little bit I was goofing around in the menus during the setup, the menu system seems way better. So that's pretty cool. I love how, see the battery thing on the right? It looks like a cell phone battery. And see on the left it says no SD card. Let me get it in something black. Wow, I love the menu system. I hope that gets upgraded to the 5 and 6s as well. Really nice. You guys remember this little thing? My little emergency battery pack? Well, this is the battery out of the 7. I'm going to put it in the 6 and put it on the little charging brick and get it going. That update, wow, that camera is so hot. That update was huge apparently. It knocked the battery from 100% down to 84, and the camera is like smoking hot. Some of those updates do that, man. That's like crazy how hot them things get doing those updates. And it took a bit. I mean, I've probably been sitting here 15-20 minutes. That was a huge update. So anyway, let me clean up my mess here, and from here on out we'll be recording on the Hero 7 Black. Alright, this is the very first clip shot with the Hero 7 Black. So this is just like I do with the, hey, I don't know if I have the hyper thing on or not. I don't think I was using the phone to preset everything. I don't know if I turned that thing on. I might have to check that out. So if it's not super smooth to start with, that hyper mode is probably not on.
Turn right onto Day Creek Boulevard.
Aye.
Then turn left onto Foothill Boulevard.
Know that. All right, we'll check all that stuff out. This is that huge Walmart's I took you guys to last time I was here. Just need a few little supplies, and I figured I'd hit old Wally World. All right. Okay, as near as I can tell, it's in the hyper smooth mode, or at least it says it is. Man, the menu on this thing is like really, really cool, but it's so different. It's gonna take me a little bit to get used to it, but so far I think it's really cool. I guess hand movement on the camera, which I really had a problem with the Hero 5 and the Hero 6, just hand holding the camera, it just pronounced every movement of your hand on the camera. So supposedly this is supposed to be different or better. The Hero 5 session, you never know that I have it in my hand other than the fact that it shakes non-stop. It's already 84 out here. That's smoking hot. There's a big old Walmart. Throw this back here with my junk. Alrighty. Oh, I keep forgetting about the button. Alright. That's that for a couple of quick supplies. Picking up a new camera. Hope the thing's looking good. There's some crazy looking clouds coming across the mountains there. Whew, it's hot in this truck. Van. Alright. Heading towards Los Angeles. Oh no, I'm going the wrong way. No. This is the way back to Ontario land. Alright. Back to the old hotel. I didn't know it was supposed to be this hot today. She's quite warm. So I walked up on this ball and I thought, well, it's not running again. Well, it's running. It's just not enough pressure to turn it. Oh, yeah, it does. Just got to give her a shove. Something got her all out of whack. So, anyway, first observations of the camera here. Definitely, without question, even though it's the same image sensor, the image processor is definitely doing a better job with this camera than it is definitely better than it is with the 6. The image stabilization is phenomenal, and like they say, it's gimbal-like. But yeah, image quality is really good. One of the things I do when I set that up in the car before I took off is I set the sharpening level to low on all my blacks, and then deal with it in post, or don't deal with it at all, you know, because sometimes they have a tendency to over sharpen. The Hero 6 black definitely over sharpened, so I kept it at low. So I set this one at low. That's where I keep my Hero 5 session, and I think I keep my Hero 5 black at medium. So anyway, I played around with some of the files off of this from earlier, and whoa, like low is more like soft. So I put it at medium, so we'll see how these look. And I obviously I can't do anything with them files, so you let me know, you know, what you've seen up to here, if this is a little sharper. I mean, if you look at the difference when I went from the Hero 5 session to the Hero 7 black, they definitely went soft. Alright, that's my thoughts on the camera thus far. I think I might walk up to Denny's and have a bite to eat. So I'll play around and do a little time warp thing here and see what you guys think of that. See how that works. Alright, hang tight, here it comes. That's kind of a trip, huh? Man, for a GoPro, this is pretty amazing. Absolutely amazing. So, my thoughts, if you have a Hero 5 and you're looking to upgrade, Hero 6 to upgrade, of course I would say do it. Is it worth it? To me, absolutely. I tell you right now, I'm gonna have some fun with that time warp. That is a lot of fun. That looks pretty cool. Just sitting here flipping through stuff I just did. Man, the interface on this thing, just magical. It's so easy to use. It's like using your phone. It's crazy. I mean, it's just a little tiny screen, but very legible. I do it without my glasses and I can read it perfectly fine. But you know, at first the menu thing was a little odd because it was different, but oh man, you play with it a little bit and it is amazing. Cool stuff. Little walk through the olive grove here. Ooh, that ground's awfully damp. Them sprinklers must have been on here not too long ago. Those sure are some kind of beautiful, aren't they? Look at this one. This is a perfectly formed one right there. That's wonderful. Kind of freaked me out there for a second. I didn't think it was a Denny's anymore. I've never seen a Denny's. Look, they repainted this thing, but there's the sign. It's still here. All right, let's go get us some grub. You guys remember the Denny's All-American Slam? That right there is what I'm having. That looks good. Oh, you can barely see it now. That was so beautiful. It was really bright, but I wasn't in a spot where I could get a clear shot. Wow, look at these guys. Man. I love how they have that pink and purple and all them cool colors. Oh, look at it skimming across the clouds up there now. Oh, yeah, it's just turning really pink and purple out there. That is really cool. Alright. This is getting pretty dark. This will be my last little pan and scan of the skies. Well, that full on looks like a storm coming, doesn't it? That's a pretty hard push for a GoPro right there. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the new camera. And if you enjoyed enough, I hope you go buy yourself one. These things are cool, no matter which one you get. I personally might skip the 6. But I shouldn't say that. It's hard to get the colors right. I think just has a strange... The colors just come out odd on that. Vast improvement with this. So anyway, thank you guys for hanging around with my GoPro day today. And we'll say a quick little goodbye with the woman. And we'll talk to you kind folks later on. Well, hello there, YouTube. That woman's being all kinds of sneaky there. She keeps asking me about tools and box cutters and this and that and the other thing. And I'm like, what are you doing? She goes, something.
Something.
She's up to some kind of skullduggery. I don't know what it is.
Always gotta keep you guessing.
She took off to go to Walmart's to get all her supplies for the rest of the week. And it's like gone for hours. I said, what in the world? I said, what are you doing? She goes, oh, something.
Oh, something.
Crazy woman. You're gonna just slip right off the edge of the screen here in a second.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
All I see is your left ear here in a minute. One eyeball. So, is it a good thing, bad thing?
I think it's a good thing.
All right. Let me lift my chair up again here so I don't feel like I'm staring up at you guys. I'm looking at you. The iPad's at an angle and I got camera and everything else in that degree.
Yes.
She's propped up on her little smart keyboardy thingy, whatever the heck Apple calls that thing. So, did you have a fun day?
I did. I had a good day.
You didn't cut any fingers off or anything weird like that?
No, I still have them all.
Yeah, when you asked for a box cutter, I go, please be careful with that thing. Them things are unforgiving.
Yeah. Now, if it was a saw, then I'd have to be extra careful. But
Well, you better be extra careful with a box cutter, I can promise you. With a
Oh,
saw,
yeah.
yeah, definitely a saw. Ryan's girlfriend tried to cut her finger off.
I know it. That's what I think about with the saw. I was going,
Yeah.
oh, I could use a saw, but yeah, I'm not too skilled in that. So
Can't wait to,
probably not.
hopefully, her and she's okay and Ryan's okay, that the YouTube community gets to meet her. She is a riot. Kelly got to meet her, and she said she just didn't stop laughing the whole time.
I know it. She is just adorable.
Yeah, Ryan says she's really cool, really down to earth. She's a contractor. She works,
Yeah.
she's a carpenter.
Yeah.
Lives out in a little small town, and she's just a good old country girl.
I know
Says he
it.
loves
She's such a sweetie.
Right, as Ryan says, she don't give two F's about what anybody thinks about her.
No.
It don't matter. She's just cute as a bug's ear.
Oh, she is. Just adorable.
So maybe that'll happen someday.
Yeah.
Ryan's kind of funny about the whole YouTube thing. Aren't you?
I know it.
Don't film me. Aren't you
I know it.
embarrassed to put yourself on the thing every day? Then you drag Bob into it.
Yeah.
Was it?
Oh,
In the very beginning, that's not really what it was supposed to be. It was going to be...
I know. It just kind of turned into that.
Yeah, it was going to be kind of a thing of me working on motorcycles at work and maybe throwing
Yeah.
Kelly in there every once in a while. I was like, well, Kelly, I started this thing and I can't show working on the bikes anymore, so
So now
Yeah,
you're
it's kinda-
be part of it.
I was kind of spun out. I didn't know, where I could play with that whole thing at work,
Yeah.
But I found my way.
Yep.
And I think I've pushed a couple of things too far. He goes, whoa, at least we let you film stuff at work. I think I've gone over what they originally said a few times.
Yeah.
But I try not to actually, show you how to do it.
Yeah.
Some lawsuit thing, they're all freaked out over that thing. It's so weird. But that's the way the world is nowadays.
I know.
It's like we can't go to lunch at school anymore because we might get in an accident
And
driving to
then get in
lunch.
trouble. Yeah. It just.
And then we would sue BMW. Like,
Yeah.
there could be somebody in the crowd that would do that. But, literally that thought would never even cross my mind.
No. But
I
people will do-
come from a different era.
Yeah.
People nowadays, I don't feel all warm and fuzzy about that. I need compensation.
I know. It's like, oh my lord, I'm just gonna beat these people.
No, I don't feel like I'm getting treated as well as I should. It's like, what?
I'm gonna send you all to an island, and you can really good with each other.
Yeah,
How's
yeah.
that? Yeah.
It's all crazy. Crazy world. Well, little mama, I think I'm going to run out of time or put somebody to sleep. I goofed around with cameras all day. They're already probably never made it here. They don't hear this going on anyway.
I know it. My phone keeps flashing.
Oh,
Battery
yeah.
low.
Yeah, she's about to run out of batteries too, so we better roll.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. We will talk to you tomorrow. Same smoke time, same smoke channel. Don't forget to give her a thumbs up. And you guys have a wonderful Monday or Tuesday.
Heck yeah. Thank you guys very much. Hope I didn't put you to sleep.
Hopefully you're still awake.
Oh, yeah. All right. We'll see you guys.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye now.